Mr. Evans, you know why I wrote this recommendation.
You just waste your time. Because this is some bullshit.
Really, Mr. Evans? The only bull in here right now is you. Wasting taxpayers' dollars, coming into my office every other week, and not opening up to me.
That's my doctor, Dr. Young, a retired lieutenant colonel from the United States Marine Corps. Sometimes I think he just doesn't like me because I used to be in the Army. But then again, maybe it's because I don't listen, and I think I know it all. Oh, that letter he just gave me? It's basically a letter of recommendation to see another psychiatrist because I won't open up to him. Shit.
Becky! Sarge!
That's my battle buddy, Christian. We served 2 years in Iraq together. He's a really good guy, but there's no in between with him. He always jumped to conclusions, and boy, he is in for a surprise today.
No.
Baby, how'd your counseling session go today?
Get right there. Baby, it went okay, I think. As a matter of fact, I'm almost done with that whole counseling thing. No?
No, I don't know. Come on, you only been like 3 or 4 times. You know it doesn't work like that. You gotta keep going.
Work like what?
It's not that simple for you to give up, after 2 or 3 times. You have to make it work. That's all I'm saying, baby.
Here we go again. Wow. I mean, every time I try to make a little progress, you're so holier than thou. Really? Really? For real? Really?
Really? Look, this is about you. It's not about me. So don't try to make it about me when it's about you.
I'm gonna leave. Yeah.
That's exactly what you do.
Yeah, man.
Be a man, okay?
Cool.
Please open up.
Whatever.
What's up, baby?
Big
Man, what's going on, man?
What you man?
Man, you know, I ain't doing nothing, man. Just trying to take care of the fam. That's all.
What's up? My big cousin.
Yeah.
Sergeant Thomas. Nah, seriously though, big cousin, I'm proud of you.
Man, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, man.
Who's gonna call? What? Oh, hey, Mom. Yeah, sorry. We just had another argument. Well, you know how T can get. Yeah, you know how I can get too. Yeah. It's just stressing him out, that's all. Yeah. Sounds like a good idea. Alright. Well, I will go ahead and make his favorite meal and I will call to apologize. Thanks, Mom. I know. Love you too. Bye.
Hey, T, you wanna hit this drink before I go? My bad, man.
Nah, man, I don't need to drink no more. I'm good. Thanks.
All right,
Thanks,
man.
man.
Good seeing you, though, bro.
All right, now.
All right.
As soon as it's time to go into this new little jazz bar, man, maybe if Tony's free, maybe y'all can tag along. Feel me? Good. T. T, you okay?
Man. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Man.
Damn, man, that boy got you kind of fucked up, huh?
Man, you wouldn't know, man. You wouldn't know.
Damn. Speaking of the devil.
Man, spiteful, man. Hold on for a second.
Okay.
Hey, what's up, baby?
Hey, I'm sorry about earlier.
Nah, I was tripping. I'm sorry too, honey.
Well, I mean, you need these sessions, and if you like, we both can go together, okay?
You know what? I'll think about it.
Well, if you're in a thinky mood, I really need you to hurry your ass up and get home because I have pork chops on the oven, and I'm getting ready to cut some sweet potatoes.
Oh, okay. What you got to drink?
You can think about that on your way, but in the meantime, think about me wearing these red bottoms tonight.
Oh, okay, yeah. You know what? I got some plans for them red bottoms tonight for sure.
Oh, reminds me, speaking of plans, have you talked to Christian and Becky this week?
Oh, damn. Okay, all right. I'll check on them on my way home. All right, sure will. All right. Love you too.
I'll see you in a bit, babe.
All right. Bye, baby. That's my baby. That's my baby.
Cool, man.
It's fussing early.
Oh, well, all right, man, that's gonna happen. Y'all, you got something you gotta do or something?
I gotta check on something, man.
Everything all right?
Yeah, so it's all good. It's fussing early.
Oh, shit, it's gonna happen, dog.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
I mean, we do it every day.
She had me mad. I'm talking about I walked out and everything on her, man. Like, let's get this. I'm like, yeah, I said, man, open up Eve.
Right.
So I said,
Same old team,
yeah,
man.
man. You know, shit, man.
Man, it's
Yeah.
crazy, man.
Man, she had me hot. That's all right, man. That's my baby.
Word,
So we
word.
got. I'm gonna go ahead and check on her. See what's going on, babe.
All right, man. Love you, man.
Love you too, man.
All right, well, I gotta get this money.
Man, that's what's up. Hey, train. Shit. Christian. Hey, man! What the hell's going on?
She took everything. Look around! She took my dog. She took my fucking TV. Everything.
What?
She didn't have the nerve to say it to my face.
Wait, that don't sound like Becky, man.
I don't know. She lost her mind. She went fucking crazy. All I got is this note.
Wait a second. It's not even open, Chris.
No, it isn't.
Dear Christian, God really knew what he was doing when he made you for me. I knew if he hadn't came in my life, I'd probably be dead or stay out here running the streets.
Streets doing God knows what with God knows who. Anyway, remember that house that we always said that we wanted but we could never afford? It's ours now. I hope that you're not mad at me, but I arranged for everything to be moved while you were at work so you wouldn't have to worry about anything, since you're always worried about us. I know it's crazy, huh? I had no idea that my rich Uncle Pete Lawrence left us so much money. Anyway, I left your pistol under the shirt by the door. Don't do anything stupid.
Like shoot yourself, to see you in a bit. Love, Becky. It's all there. Black and white. All you do is open it up. Open up, Chris.
Hey, did you get my note? It's ours. What happened to you?
God. I thought that you...
What?
I don't know.
It's funny how life has a way of working itself out. Becky and Christian, man, did they ever get on that little bump in the road. Myself and Tony, we're doing really well. And as for me and Dr. Young, he finally got me to